I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull. I got a new necklace.
I think he loves me.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Morning balloons. I mean, morning, last balloon.
Couldn't make it.
Hey, Con, it's so good to see you.
Oh, so good to see you. Oh my god. What? What?
Give me that. You give me that.
Like he always does. Round and round we go, all day long. I tell it's gonna be the death of him.
Dude, what even is that? Give it to me. Oh! Oh! Da-da-da, da-da-da.
Get it, Arrow. Get it. Arrow, get it.
完了，这口又废了。
Tu prends un petit bout. Là, tu prends le petit bout de l'angle, ok? Un tout petit bout. Bap! Oh!
Who is that?
Right here, if you don't mind. Shh.
What are you doing? Come on, Sax. Inside. Come inside. Come on.
Bro, get your big ass away from me, bro. Beat it. Shut up.
You have a ball in your mouth. Greedy. Big and greedy.
What are you doing? Why are you standing in the kitty bed? Is it because the kitty is in your bed? Huh? Is that it? Oh.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Stella? Stella? Hey! Stella! Max, what happened?
Arf, arf, arf. Arf, 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 wolf. Meow.
Huh? That's grasping.
You can get it. You can do it.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kenneth. Happy birthday to you.
What are you doing, Georgie?
Annie, you use fine and that's the day that you want to
You gotta get up there. You gotta get up.
That's my spot.
Rusty, do you really love your new toy? But you broke it again. I'm gonna have to fix it. You're so overstimulated. It's funny.
Really? Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, that's a bad plan, isn't it? Yep, moving on.
Yay!
Time to go to sleep. Stop.
Are you comfortable, Mabel?
When you wake up face to face with them. If you're hungry, I brought home some mutton and coconut milk.
No. Drop it.
Is it just too much? Less feet on the table? I know.
Can you come? Hash brown, sure has done. Okay. Now, come.
Are you right now?
¿Qué estás haciendo tú ahí? ¿Ah? Pidiéndole comida a tu papá, que tú acabas de comer.
Oh, who did it?
What is that, Lola? What is that?
Mommy farted.
No.
Kane, where did you get that?
Help! Help! Help!
Susie, why don't you like your bath? Come on, baby.
I love you!
I will take your babushka off, but you have to promise not to bark. Okay?
Are you watching TV? Were you watching the sad commercial with all the puppies in the pound? Keep it up and you're gonna go there.
Justice. He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.
Cuando te preguntan por qué tienes tantos animales.
¡Cállese, señora! ¡Váyase a la mierda!
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, would you look at this? Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck?
This is what we came home to tonight. That's Flower. Lulu, look at me.
Oh, you idiot. You
Tantrum, Tessa throwing a tantrum. She had to have a bath and she's pissy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Come on. Come on. What are you doing?
Stella, we're here.
She's going to jump. I told you! She's been jumping in there. Reggie, don't eat him.
Uh-oh, this dog. I hope they don't realize this dog just ran out here. Hey, come here, come here. Come here. I don't see an owner. Okay. Hi there. I'll keep an eye on her. Anyway, hello. Oh, what do you know? We don't want to start. Forget the people we talked to earlier. I want to get to know this dog. Just ran. Anyway, I got a couple of businesses going.
If anybody knows that dog, it's John. John's got to know every dog in the neighborhood.
No. John lives over there. This dog came from over here. Oh, well, I'm sure it lives in this house, but there are cars coming and going.
We have now expanded the business to Bob's Ice Scraping and Kennel Service.
Life is good. I won't charge for this. This is a freebie.
Marissa, this is why you don't stay indoors on a winter day.
Oh my gosh, I love this so much.
There you go.
I'm so sorry.
No, are you okay? Did she really just run out?
Yes, she just jumped through the gate.
She got through the gate. She wanted to see us. How you doing? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, be careful. It's very slippery. And what's this dog's name?
Pierogi.
Pierogi.
Oh, I love that name.
Life is good.
Oh my gosh.
Life is
I'm
good.
excited.
Thank you so much. Be careful, okay? We're doing it all, people.
Got like this little light. I think.
摸一下。
哎呀，回来了！你都不认识我了，刚才是不是？
Sit down.
Charlie.
Aurora. Aurora.
Why was she doing that? Look, because she wanted her animal crackers. That's the funniest thing I ever
My dog aren't the cutest ones at the park. What are you doing?
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
But I'm gonna get you a dad, though. You want a daddy? You want a dad?
Mm-hmm.
Parkour!
Oh shoot! Sorry, girl.
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Oh. Here.
Come on, baby.
Butts, get down. It's not a real cheeseburger. It's not a real cheeseburger, Bubs. Well, now you want the...
Did you eat this? Were you supposed to lick the bowl?
Lily, would you like your chicken? Would you like your chicken? Come on then.
Cobra, I challenge you to a duel.
Face me! Do not run! Face your fear!
Close the door. Sadie, come on, close it. Close the door.
Come on, buddy. Good boy. Come on, bud.
Baby. Want a treat?
Goed zo. Doe je de deur ook weer dicht?
Intenta negociar la falta, Sendejas gana, sigue Sendejas, va a línea de fondo, Reyes ahora, Reyes, penal para la América.
I love you. I have been looking for this dog for a half an hour. Benzie! Benzie, I have been calling your name. Benzie! I thought you got eaten by a hawk or something.
Тримай нога.
Hi, Bobby. What are you doing?
Oh, he knows. He knows. Hey, dude. Hey, dude.
Oh. Did you do it? Or did you do it? Did she do it? She done it?
Ay, ya. Mira, nada es como quedó.
Ay, esto sí es muy lindo. Parker, Daddy just wants to put his arm on me. Parks, he can put his arm on me.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Hello,ไอ้เหี้ยเขาเนี่ยเพื่ออะไรไม่รู้เท่านั้น
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, doo-dah.
I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Bag of dog food. Who got into that? Who got into the dog food?
Boy who lived has come to die.
Oh my god.
Excuse me, sit down. You weren't called. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Go ahead. No, you don't. You haven't been called.
Você tá aqui na adeguinha com os parceiros, certo? Regional, sobe? Ô, sobe. E aí, caramelo, sobe?
Pata. Pata. Pata.
Duncan, what's going on? Can you knock it out because you're boned? Duncan, come here. Come here. Turn your head sideways. Come on. Come on. Turn it around. Oh my.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. And there she goes. You're so smart. You're so smart.
Are you happy to be out of the car? Hey.
Think.
Stella, you got Sheila? Okay, you can be with Sheila alone.
Sí, sí, me encanta dormir. Es mi pasión. Yo creo que en mi otra vida fui un colchón.
I said paper. Ah, cool. That's cool. I want it's recorded. The tape is still messing
妈妈走啦，拜拜，小朋友，拜拜。
Walter.
I had a couple